G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Welcome to today's training session where we're going to take a look at the new Microsoft 365 app that is currently rolling out on iOS. So as you may know or you may have seen, the Office application, that one with the orange icon, the orange Office icon is being updated and replaced with the Microsoft 365 app. So I've updated my device and we're going to take a look specifically about how we can edit and interact with Loop components in this new Microsoft 365 app, and it's actually quite good. So let's dive in and we'll check things out. So we've got it open here, and you can see up the top we need to scroll across. So there's a little scrolling feature across on the top, and we need to actually add or edit the options that are available to us in there. One of those options is the Loop components. All right, so you can see there that we've got, by default, we've got shared, pinned, video, Excel forms, and we can add some more to those options. So if we keep going through here, we need to scroll down and find Loop components, hit the plus button, and now we've got the Loop components as part of that navigation. When we hit on Loop components, it's going to show you the most recent components that you have interacted with, and we can open one of those up directly inside the app, like so. Now, what we can see here is that it's actually quite usable, and it's very good to use in this mobile setting. So we can add tasks, we can edit. In this case, I've got a task list. I'm just adding a task to this list. We can also add and insert new components, either by hitting the / like we do in other modalities, or that plus button that's next to the @ symbol down there. That actually also allows us to add additional components. So if we have a look at what we've got available to us, you can see we've got task list, table, person, date, checklist, bullet list, numbered list, image, and comment. All right, so that's available to us inside of the mobile app. So we can select one of those and we can insert it. So we've just added a checklist here. So we can add our items to the checklist. You can see that next to the plus button as well, there's also the @ mention and the comment option for us there as well. So we can directly add those. Now the other option there, that orange icon in the right hand side, allows us to be able to share with people. All right, so a nice easy way to be able to share that component, give other people access to that as well, directly from inside the component there. So that's that send link, and it's ubiquitous across all sharing options. Now, you can also see, as I mentioned, the ability to directly hit the comment button. That will insert the comment like we have seen there. So the way that we interact and use Loop components inside the Microsoft 365 app is actually quite good. And we can see here we're heading back to the home screen. The Loop components is selected, and the content that is set for us there is filtered to only those components. All right, so there we have it. The Microsoft 365 app is rolling out to the app stores. So if you do have the Office app on your devices, you will soon, if not already, have that update ready for you to update it to the Microsoft 365 app. If you are using Loop components, then interacting and using those inside the app is actually quite good. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next session.